हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एनटीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 90 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे, वहां से आप लिंक करके सारे डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं। पीछे जो भी टेस्ट बचे हुए हैं जैसे 89, 88, 87, ये सब वो सभी कवर कर दिए जाएंगे आगे आने वाले सेशन में। तो एनटीए अभ्यास के सारे टेस्ट मॉक टेस्ट के पीडीएफ अवेलेबल है। उसके लिए आप व्हाट्सएप जो नंबर दिया हुआ है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, वहाँ से आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। और इस टेस्ट का भी आपको जो पीडीएफ या स्क्रीनशॉट है वो आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे। तो यहाँ पे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे सबसे पहले बायो से, देन आएंगे केमिस्ट्री, उसके बाद फिजिक्स पे। ओके। अगर इस वीडियो क्वालिटी आपको लो लगे तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जो वीडियो डर एप्लीकेशन का लिंक दिया हुआ है, तो वीडियो डर एप्लीकेशन से इस वीडियो को डाउनलोड करके वील्स मीडिया प्लेयर से चलाएंगे तो आपको फुल स्क्रीन में एचडी क्वालिटी में चलेगा। ठीक है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ बायो का है। द प्रोबेबल रीजन फॉर द ग्रेइश appearance ऑफ द cerebral cortex is, आंसर विल बी सी, द सेल बॉडीज ऑफ न्यूरॉन आर concentrated here. The central nervous system is made up of two types of tissue, the gray and the white matter. In the gray matter, these axons are mainly unmyelinated, meaning they are not covered by whitish colored fatty protein called myelin. The gray matter is mainly composed of neuronal cell bodies and unmyelinated axons. Select the incorrect statement for vexillary और papillonosis estivation. आंसर हमारा डी होगा। टू स्मॉलेस्ट एंटेरियर पेटल्स आर नोन एज कील, ये हमारा गलत है, बाकी ए बी सी सही है। द टू लेटरल पेटल्स आर फाउंड विच आर टर्म्ड एज विंग। द स्टैंडर्ड petal is posterior or the largest petal is anterior and overlap wings. In vexillary estivation, the largest posterior petal is called the standard or vexillum, two lateral petals are called wings, and the two anterior smallest petals which are fused are known as keel. Vexillary estivation thus shows a 1 plus 2 fused arrangement of petals. तो सबसे ऊपर है स्टैंडर्ड, देन विंग, उसके बाद कील। सेलेक्ट द नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स हैविंग epipetalous stamens. ओके, तो यहाँ पे आंसर होगा डी 4। When stamens are attached to petals, then it is called as epipetalous condition. Epipetalous stamens are present in members of Solanaceae family. Like इसमें जो है टोमेटो हो जाएंगे, पेटूनिया, टोबैको और चिल्ली। यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल का ग्रेड करेंगे। द बी कीपिंग इज कंसिडर्ड एज एज ओल्ड कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री एंड बी वैक्स इज द इट्स रियल प्रोडक्ट। ओके। Which pair is not having similar types of roots? Answer will be A, mustard and maize. Maize is monocot with fibrous roots and mustard is dicot with taproot. What is incorrect about the prothallus of pteridophyta? Answer will be A, well differentiated with vascular tissue जो है वो incorrect है। बाकी B, C, D जो है वो correct about prothallus of pteridophyta, यानी small and undifferentiated, gametophytic phase और multicellular and free living. Structure of the human sperm is given. Identify the part which possesses enzymes that help in fertilization. Answer will be C, A जो है वो है एक्रोजोम जो हेल्प करता है। It is a cap-like structure that covers the anterior portion of the head. It is filled with the enzyme that help in fertilization of the ovum like hyaluronidase. Which set of the plants represent gymnosperms which grow in a temperate area with a branched stem and are having needle-like leaves to reduce the surface area? Answer will be D, Pinus and Cedrus. Okay. Cedrus शायद देवदार को बोलते हैं। Conifers are gymnosperms which grow in temperate area with branched stem. In conifers, the needle-like leaves reduce the surface area. Conifers includes Pinus and Cedrus. Cycas and Ginkgo are gymnosperm but not coniferous. Eucalyptus and Olphy are angiosperms. Which of the following is not a property of ideal contraceptive? Answer will be should not give privacy to the यूजर इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर्टी, बाकी ए सी और डी जो है प्रॉपर्टी है। यूजर फ्रेंडली होना चाहिए, इफेक्टिव और रिवर्सिबल होने चाहिए। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू बायनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर, आंसर विल बी सी। बायोलॉजिकल नेम्स कैन बी रिटन इन एनी लैंग्वेज, ये हमारा गलत होगा। और इसमें थोड़ा सा ए में भी करेक्शन है कि द फर्स्ट वर्ड रिप्रेजेंट द जीनस एंड द सेकंड रिप्रेजेंट्स स्पेसिफिक इपिथेट होने चाहिए। ठीक है। आइडेंटिफाई द फीटोमैटर्नल ऑर्गन, आंसर विल बी सी प्लासेंटा। First, ER is also called the control center of the cell. Second, it modifies chemicals that are toxic to the cell. SER is a major site for synthesis of proteins. 4. ER is a network of interconnected cisternae tubules and vesicles present in the endoplasm. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज आर नॉट ट्रू अबाउट ई आर, तो फर्स्ट और जो थर्ड है यानी कि इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द कंट्रोल सेंटर ऑफ द सेल, तो ये गलत है। और थर्ड है ए सी आर इज अ मेजर साइट ऑफ सिंथेसिस ऑफ प्रोटीन, तो ए सी आर जो होते हैं लिपिड सिंथेसिस के लिए मेजर साइट होते हैं। ठीक है। और जो न्यूक्लियस होते हैं वो कंट्रोल सेंटर ऑफ द सेल होते हैं, इसलिए फर्स्ट और जो थर्ड है गलत है, बाकी सारे स्टेटमेंट सही हैं। In which stage does the embryo differentiate into trophoblast and an inner group of cells? Answer will be C. Blastula. The blastocyst is a structure formed in the early development of mammals. It possesses an inner cell mass ICM which subsequently forms the embryo. The outer layer of the blastocyst consists of cell collectively called the trophoblast. Match the column. तो यहाँ पे सेल डिवीजन का सारा मैच करना है। तो ए यहाँ पे टेलोफेज का 4 होगा यानी रीफॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। बी का थर्ड यानी कि एनाफेज का फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अपोजिट स्पिंडल फाइबर। सी का सेकेंड यानी मेटाफेज का, एक मिनट, बी का थर्ड यहाँ पे होगा यानी कि एनाफेज का सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स आर ब्रोकन डाउन। सी का सेकेंड यानी कि मेटाफेज का फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अपोजिट स्पिंडल फाइबर। और डी का फर्स्ट यानी प्रोफेज का होगा स्पिंडल ग्रोज बिटवीन द क्रोमोजोम्स। ओके। नेक्स्ट आता है यहाँ पे द इंजाइम विच कन्वर्ट्स ग्लूकोज इनटू इथाइल अल्कोहल इज, आंसर विल बी सी जाइमेज। Select the correct match. Answer will be D. Alloplast store protein. Food can be stored in the form of carbohydrates in amyloplast. Alloplast stores proteins and alloplasts store lipids. Paranoids are special structure present in the chloroplast of algae which stores starch. Okay. Tubers are a stem modification for the storage of carbohydrates, and liver is an organ that stores glycogen. सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट माल्ट, तो ये यहाँ पे गलत होगा क्योंकि ये जो है माल्ट जो है 50% यहाँ पे टोटल बॉडी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 20% दिया हुआ है। ईट कंस्टिट्यूट अबाउट 20% ऑफ लिम्फॉइड टिश्यू इन ह्यूमन बॉडी, तो यहाँ पे 50% होने चाहिए। बाकी बी सी डी सही सही है। ईट डज नॉट प्रोड्यूसेस दैट डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स, ईट स्टैंड्स फॉर म्यूकोसा एसोसिएटेड लिम्फॉइड टिश्यू, और इट इज प्रेजेंट इन रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट, गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल ट्रैक और यूरिन ट्रैक्ट सारे में होते हैं। ओके। और ये जो क्वेश्चन है पहले भी ये जो है नीट में आ चुका है क्वेश्चन, है म्यूकोसा को जो है 50% होते हैं। Chlorophyll appears grass green due to the pigment, answer will be A. Chlorophyll B and A. The blood stem cells are related to which among the following option, answer will be D. Bone marrow. Statement 1. Diplohaplontic or haplodiploidic life cycle is characterized by the existence of a sporophyte as well as a gametophyte. Statement 2. Fungi have a haplodiploidic life cycle. तो यहाँ आंसर होगा सी। स्टेटमेंट 1 इज करेक्ट एंड स्टेटमेंट 2 इज रॉन्ग। ओके। Diplohaploidic or haplodiploidic, it is characterized by the existence of a sporophyte as well as gametophyte. Both of them are photosynthetic and free living, and two phages, the diplophage and haplophage, are nearly equal. If sporophytes and gametophytes are morphologically different, then the life cycle is termed as diplohaplontic. heteromorphic. Example: all pteridophytes, all bryophytes, some brown algae, that is laminaria, and other kelps. एजिडोथाइमिडीन AZT ड्रग इज यूजफुल इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ, तो ये जो है केमिस्ट्री में भी दिया हुआ है, केमिस्ट्री इन एवरीडे लाइफ में जहाँ ड्रग्स है, AZT होता है वो एड्स एड्स के प्रिवेंस ट्रीटमेंट में हेल्प किया जाता लिया जाता है। तो इसका आंसर होगा ए, एन RNA कंटेनिंग द वायरल बॉर्न डिजीज। ओके, एजिडोथाइमिडीन AZT, जिसे ज़िडोविउडीन बोलते हैं, इज अ ड्रग यूज्ड इन एंटी रेट्रोवायरल ट्रीटमेंट, ऑल्सो नोन एज एंटी रेट्रोवायरल थेरेपी और आर्ट, टू ट्रीट HIV। टेकिंग आर्ट मीन्स that people living with HIV can live long and healthy lives. Art is not a cure for HIV, but it keeps HIV under control. Select the incorrect statement. Okay, तो यहाँ पे बी होगा, द प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन, द लेफ्ट हैंड इज सी टर्मिनल एंड द राइट हैंड इज एन टर्मिनल। तो ये हमारा गलत है, रिवर्स दिया हुआ है, और बाकी ए सी और डी जो है सही है। हीमोग्लोबिन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्वाटनरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन। इन प्रोटीन और पॉलीपेप्टाइड द एमिनो एसिड्स आर लिंक्ड by peptide bond, or most of the enzymes are protein in nature. Which type of natural selection is selection in a population is rare in occurrence than other? Answer will be B, disruptive selection. Disruptive selection is also called as the diversifying selection. In some situations, selection acts to eliminate rather than favoring the intermediate type. When both extremes are selected equally, it is called disruptive selection. Disruptive selection is the rarest of these three types of natural selection, but is a major driving force of evolution. यहाँ fill in the blanks है, तो the haploid content of human DNA is 3.3 into 10 to the power 9 base pair. The nucleic acid is a polymer of nucleotide. Nitrogen base attaches to pentose sugar by a glycosidic bond to form nucleoside. Phosphate attaches to 5' carbon of sugar to form nucleotide. A bacteriophage 5174 has 5386 nucleotides. Bacteriophage lambda has 48502 base pairs. E. coli has 4.6 into 10 to power 6 base pairs, and haploid content of human DNA is 3.3 into 10 to power 9 base pairs. Malonate is inhibited by succinate dehydrogenase. This is a type of, answer will be competitive inhibition. In competitive inhibition, the inhibitor is structurally similar to the substrate and both compete with each other to bind to active site of enzyme. Malonate is an inhibitor that is structurally similar to substrate succinic acid. Both competes to occupy active site of enzyme succinate dehydrogenase. Tasmanian wolf resemble the placental wolf. This represents, answer will be A, placental uh, parallel evolution. Natural selection can lead to similar adaptation for survival in similar habitats. This form of evolutionary change is called convergent or parallel evolution. For example, some of the marsupials of Australia resemble equivalent placental mammals that live in similar habitats of other continents, like the Tasmanian wolf resembles the placental wolf. Select the incorrect statement. तो यहाँ पे सी जो है इनकरेक्ट है। ऑल टिश्यूज लाइंग इनसाइड द वैस्कुलर कैम्बियम आर कॉल्ड बार्क। तो जो इनसाइड होते हैं उनको नहीं बोलते हैं, जो आउटसाइड होते हैं वैस्कुलर कैम्बियम उसको बार्क बोलते हैं। बाकी ए बी और जो डी है वो सही है। वैस्कुलर बंडल्स ऑफ डाइकोट स्टेम सेड टू बी ओपन, क्योंकि उसमें सेकेंडरी ग्रोथ होते हैं, कैम्बियम से होते हैं। और इंट्रावैस्कुलर कैम्बियम इज प्राइमरी lateral meristem, or in dicot stem endodermis is referred to as starch sheath. Vascular bundles in dicot stem are called open as it consists of cambium which causes secondary growth. Okay, in dicot stem, endodermis is deposited with starch sheath. Intravascular cambium is present inside vascular bundle between xylem and phloem, thus is primary in origin. All tissues which lies outside the vascular cambium is called bark. यहाँ fill in the blanks है, तो यहाँ fill का ग्रेड करेंगे. The Darwin finches shows adaptive radiation resulting from competition of for food in a population. Answer will be D. Which of the following is not an example of ex situ conservation? Answer will be C. Centuries. Which of the following epithelium is most suitable for quick exchange of materials? Most suitable exchange of materials through membranes via filtration of diffusion. Answer will be A. Simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelia consist of a single layer of flattened cells in contact with the basal lamina. This type of epithelial lines the inner surface of all blood vessels. Endothelium forms the wall of alveolar sacs in the lung and lines the body cavities. Mesothelium. This type of epithelium is often permeable and occurs where small molecules need to pass quickly through membranes via filtration or diffusion. Statement A. Polyblend is used for making roads. Statement B. Sanitary landfills are provided with a good solution for the management of garbage, especially in big cities. Choose the correct option with respect to the स्टेटमेंट्स अब. आंसर हमारा ए होगा. ओनली ए स्टेटमेंट जो है वो सही है, सेकंड स्टेटमेंट वो है गलत है. इन यहाँ इसका देख लेते हैं एक्सप्लेनेशन भी. Sanitary landfills जो होते हैं, these were adopted as the substitute for open burning dumps. In sanitary landfills, all collected wastes are dumped in a depression for a trench and compaction is done, followed by covering with dirt every day. Landfills are also not really much of a solution since the amount of garbage generation, especially in the metros, has increased so much that these sites are getting filled too. Also, there is a danger of seepage of chemicals etc. from these landfills polluting the underground water resources. If a cell receives a signal to contract, then its neighbors are also stimulated to contract. This is due to presence of answer will be D. Intercalated disc. Unique junctions called intercalated disc communication junctions link the cells together and define their borders. Intercalated discs are the major portal for cardiac cell-to-cell communication, which is required for coordinated muscle contraction and maintenance of circulation. Communication junctions at some fusion points allow the cells to contract as a unit. That is, when one cell receives a signal to contract, its neighbors are also stimulated to contract. Friends of Arcata Mass organization are associated with which of the following? Answer will be B. Integrated wastewater treatment, जिसे फोम भी बोलते हैं, FOAM. Which of the following animals is not a pair of poikilotherms? Answer will be B. Labio and Pteropus. Fishes like Labio, Torpedo, Pristis, Carcharodon, Scoliodon, Trigon, amphibians Rana and reptiles Naja are poikilotherms, but Pteropus mammal is a homeotherm. Which of the following is the first phase to occur in a sigmoid growth curve? Answer will be lag phase. A population growing in habitat which with limited resources so initially a lag phase in which slow growth occurs followed by phase of acceleration and deceleration and finally asymptote when the population density reaches the carrying capacity. In which of the following organisms the regulation of blood flow cannot be precisely regulated? Answer will be B. Mosquito. Okay, blood flow can be precisely regulated in closed circulatory system where blood flow flows inside the blood vessels. Annelids and chordates have a closed circulatory system in which the blood pumped by the heart is always circulated through a closed network of the blood vessels. Open circulatory system is present in arthropods and mollusks except cephalopoda, in which blood pumped by the heart passes through large vessels into open spaces or body cavities called sinuses. Mosquito is an arthropod, hence it has open circulatory system. Following are the roles of predation except. Answer will be it is a potent force of organic evolution. रोल्स ऑफ प्रीडेशन बाकी ए सी और डी जो है वो प्रीडेशन का रोल है यानी इट हेल्प्स इन स्पीसीज डाइवर्सिटी इन अ कम्युनिटी प्रीडेटर्स एक्ट्स एज अ कंड्यूट्स ऑफ एनर्जी ट्रांसफर across trophic levels or the population of prey is kept under control of predation. Predation is nature's way of transferring energy across trophic levels in the food chain. Predators also help in maintaining species diversity in a community by reducing the intensity of competition among prey species. It also keeps the prey population under control. Predation has not been associated with organic evolution. Which factors is responsible for controlling the rate of decomposition? Answer will be C, both A and B, यानी climatic factor or chemical composition of detritus. Decomposition is largely oxygen requiring process. The rate of decomposition is controlled by the chemical composition of detritus and climatic factors. Warm humid conditions promotes the growth of microbes, thus increases the rate of decomposition. If detritus is rich in nitrogen and water soluble substance, then the rate of decomposition is fast. If detritus is rich in lignin cellulose, then the rate of decomposition is slow. Which part of the gut shows the negligible amount of absorption of substances? Answer will be B, esophagus. Absorption in the esophagus is virtually nil. Okay, its role in digestion is simple to convey bolus of food from the pharynx to the stomach. The species composition that invades a barren area and drives the succession is called. Answer will be a pioneer community. 23% of amount of CO2 is transported in the blood as. Answer will be B, carba-amino hemoglobin. Carbon dioxide is transported in the blood from the tissue to the lungs in three ways. First, 7% of 7% dissolved in solution. Second, 70% as bicarbonates. And third, 23% bound to proteins, particularly hemoglobin. Approximately 20 to 25% of carbon dioxide is transported in the red blood cell and 75% in the plasma. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Okay, तो यहाँ पे बी जो स्टेटमेंट तो इनकरेक्ट है. द डेथ ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म इज द बिगनिंग ऑफ ग्रेजिंग फूड चेन. तो ग्रेजिंग फूड का नहीं होता है, वो डेट्राइटस फूड चेन का होता है. डेथ ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म बिगिनिंग ऑफ डेट्राइटस फूड चेन. बाकी ए सी और डी सही है. ऑल एनिमल्स डू नॉट डिपेंड इन all animals do not depend directly on plants for their food needs. Those animals that depends on the primary carnivores for food are labeled as tertiary consumers or primary producers in an aquatic ecosystem are various species like phytoplanktons, algae and higher plants. All animals depends on plants directly or indirectly for their food needs. They are hence called consumers and also heterotrophs. Animals that depends on the primary carnivores for food are labeled as tertiary consumers. The energy trapped by the producer is passed on to the consumer or the organism dies. Death of the organism is the beginning of detritus food chain. Select the correct match from the following. Answer will be A. Estivation. इम्ब्रिकेट एस्टिवेशन होते हैं गुलमोहर में. ओके, estivation is the mode of arrangement of sepals or petals in floral bud which with respect to the other members of the same word. Uh, there are four main types of estivation: velvet, calotropis, ट्विस्टेड, चाइना रोज, लेडी फिंगर, कॉटन, ये सारे मालवेसी फैमिली में आते हैं, चाइना रोज, लेडी फिंगर और कॉटन। इम्ब्रिकेट, कैसिया एंड गुलमोहर और वेक्जिलरी, पी एंड बीन। Carbonic anhydrase enzyme exists. Answer will be C, mainly in RBC. The carbonic anhydrase forms a family of enzymes that catalyze the interconversion between carbon dioxide and water and the dissociated ions of carbonic acid. The active site of most carbonic anhydrases contains a zinc ions. It is mainly found in RBC and a little amount is also in plasma. सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट मैचिंग, तो यहाँ पे सी जो है ये हमारा इनकरेक्ट मैचिंग है। एस का स्ट्रेस कंबाइंड इम्यूनो डिफिशियंसी नहीं होता है, सीवियर कंबाइंड इम्यूनो डिफिशियंसी डिसऑर्डर होते हैं। ओके, ADA stands for adenosine deaminase, an enzyme which is necessary for the immune system to function. Its deficiency results in disease called as SCID, S severe combined immunodeficiency. First gene therapy was given to a 4-year-old girl child suffering from ADA deficiency. बाकी ए बी और डी जो है सही है। नैको नेशनल एड्स कंट्रोल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एलाइजा इंजाइम लिंक्ड इम्यूनोसॉर्बेंट एसए और पीकेयू फिनाइल कीटोन यूरिया। 45 क्वेश्चन हो गए हैं आउट ऑफ 90 बायो में, तो फटाफट देखते हैं और सारे। विच ब्लड वेसल्स एंड्स इन एन ऑर्गन अदर देन द हार्ट। ओके, विच ब्लड वेसल एंड्स इन एन ऑर्गन अदर देन द हार्ट, तो आंसर होगा सी, हिपैटिक पोर्टल वेन। जितने भी पोर्टल होते हैं वो हार्ट के अलावा होते हैं। Hepatic portal system, it represents the vascular connection between the digestive tract and liver. Function, hepatic portal vein carries nutrient-rich blood from intestine to the liver before it delivered to the systemic circulation. Which of the following is the site for oxidative decarboxylation? Answer will be C, matrix of mitochondria. During complete oxidation of glucose, two oxidative decarboxylation reaction occurs. One occurs one in a link reaction when pyruvic acid is oxidized to acetyl CoA, and second in Krebs cycle when alpha ketoglutaric acid is oxidized to succinyl CoA. Both these reactions occurs in matrix of mitochondria. The pericardial fluid is a protective fluid found between the two layers of the answer will be B, pericardium. The pericardium is a double-walled structure about 20 to 30 ml in volume. This serous fluid acts as a lubricant and minimizes friction between the epicardium and parietal layer as the heart. A single turn of citric acid cycle yields answer will be C, 1 FADH2, 3 NADH2 and 1 GDP. Okay. Citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle occurs in the mitochondrial matrix and comprises 8 cyclic steps. During its single turn, it produces CO2, one of the end products of respiration. One molecule of GTP, 3 NADH2 and 1 FADH2 as a reduced coenzyme are formed. What is incorrect about leg hemoglobin? Answer will be C. It makes nodule blue colored. ओके, तो ये हमारा गलत है। बाकी ए बी और जो डी है वो सही है। सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय होस्ट सेल, ऑक्सीजन स्कैवेंजर और इट रिड्यूसेस द एंजाइम नाइट्रोजिनेज। ओके, इट रिड्यूसेज द एंजाइम नाइट्रोजन, और जो होता है इट मेक्स नोड्यूल पिंक कलर जो है फॉर्म करता है, pinkish colored. Which phenomenon is related to the epitheme tissue in the tip of grass blades? Answer will be guttation. Effect of root pressure is also observable at night and early morning. When evaporation is low and excess water collects in the form of droplets around special openings of veins near the tip of grass blades and leaves of many herbaceous plants, such water loss in its liquid phase from hydrothores is known as guttation. It occurs when rate of absorption is more and rate of transpiration is less. Epithelium is a loose tissue under the hydatodes. The mitral valve is present between the आंसर will be B, लेफ्ट एट्रिया एंड लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. इसका हमने ट्रिकी बताया था, ट्राई कस्पिड बताया था, ट्राई फोर, ट्राई में आर आई छुपा हुआ है, यानी आर आई से राइट, राइट राइट एट्रियम और राइट वेंट्रिकल के बीच में. बाकी जो बाइकस्पिड हो गया, जिसे मिट्रल भी भी बोलते हैं, वो हो गया हमारा लेफ्ट एट्रियम और लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल के बीच में. ट्राइकस्पिड याद रहेगा तो बाइकस्पिड आराम से याद रहेगा. ठीक है. Identify the correct sequence of flow of electrons in the light direction. Answer will be D. PS second, plastoquinone, cytochromes, or PS first and ferredoxine. Light direction occurs in grana of chloroplast, in which light energy causes excitation of electrons, which then passes through different carriers that results in generation of ATP. This process is known as uh, photophosphorylation. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, electron excited from PS second is passed to plastoquinone via pheophytin, then through cytochromes to PS first. PS first then passes the electrons to ferredoxine, and then NADP is finally reduced. Which set of ions solutes is responsible for maintaining the gradient of the medullary interstitium? Answer will be D, NaCl and urea. The flow of filtrate in the two limbs of the Henel's loop is in opposite directions and thus forms a counter current. The flow of blood through the two limbs of vasa recta is also in a counter current pattern. The proximity between the Henel's loop and vasa recta, as well as the counter current in them, help in maintaining and increasing osmolarity towards the intermedullary interstitium, that is from 300 milliosmoliter into the cortex to about 1200 osmoliter per liter in the inner medulla. This gradient is mainly caused by NaCl and urea. In photosynthesis, the light independent reaction takes place at, answer will be C, stroma of chloroplast. Which of the following is not a function of angiotensin second? आंसर विल बी सी, डिक्रीजेज द GFR. बाकी ए बी और डी जो है फंक्शन है वैसो कंस्ट्रिक्शन, इंक्रीज द ग्लोमेरुलर ब्लड प्रेशर और इंक्रीज द ब्लड प्रेशर. एंजियोटेंसिन specifically angiotensin second binds to many receptors in the body to affect several systems. It can increase blood pressure by constricting the blood vessels. In the adrenal glands, angiotensin stimulates aldosterone production. This hormone causes the body to retain sodium, causing increased water reabsorption to increase the volume of blood. It increases GFR. The cut flowers and vegetables can be kept fresh for a long period with the help of, answer will be A, cytokinin. Cytokinin is a growth promoter and delays the process of senescence by promoting nutrient mobilization. This delay in senescence by cytokinin is also called as Richmond-Lang effect. Richmond-Lang effect मैच द कॉलम आया था पिछले टेस्ट में. मैचुरेशन फेज ऑफ सेल इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय, आंसर इट बी सी, बोथ ए एंड बी, यानी मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रोटोप्लाज्म और थिकनिंग ऑफ वॉल्स. Cell of maturation phase attains their maximal size in terms of wall thickening and protoplasmic modification. Cell in this phase becomes structurally and functionally specialized, like xylem vessels lose protoplasm. Endodermal cell wall gets deposited within with suberin. Identify the incorrect pair. Okay. तो यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट पेयर सी है, स्टिलागो इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रस्ट फंजाई, तो ये गलत है. बाकी ए बी और डी जो है करेक्ट पेयर है. पक्सिनिया कॉजेटिव ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑफ व्हीट रस्ट, एस्परगिलस प्रोडक्शन ऑफ सिट्रिक एसिड, और न्यूरोस्पोरा एक्सट्रीमली used in genetics. Okay, members of Basidiomycetum agaricus, mushroom, Puccinia rust fungus, Istulago smut fungus, members of Ascomycetes, Aspergillus citric acid, yeast, alcohol and bread production, penicillium, antibiotics and cheese production, Claviceps, ergot fungus and production of LSD, Neurospora used extensively in biochemical and genetic work, or Morels and Truffles edible fungi. During the mechanism of vision, the cells which generate the first potential on stimulation be light each are. Answer will be A. Rods and cones. Mechanism of vision. Light rays of visible spectrum are focused on the retina via passing through the cornea and lens. Light induced dissociation of photosensitive compounds, photopigments composed of opsin, a protein, and retinal and aldehyde of vitamin A into retinal and opsin. Then a structural change into opsin, changes in the membrane permeability and potential are generated into photoreceptor cells, rods, and cones. Goniolex belongs to, answer will be A, dinoflagellates. Okay, according to R.H. Whitaker, five kingdom classification are all unicellular eukaryotes are placed in kingdom Protista, which is divided into five classes. Red dinoflagellates like Goniolex multiply fast and give red color to the sea. These also produce toxins in large amounts, which results in death of fishes. Diatoms and golden algae are placed in cryophytes. They are microscopic and float passively in water currents. Which of the following structure is center for body temperature, thirst, and appetite? Answer will be A. Hypothalamus. यहाँ पे फंक्शन ऑफ हाइपोथैलेमस भी देख लेते हैं, बहुत बार पूछ चुका है क्वेश्चन, बहुत सारे एग्जाम में भी पूछ चुका है और एनटीए के अभ्यास टेस्ट में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं हाइपोथैलेमस के बारे में, एक बार देख लेते हैं. It is center for body temperature, urge for eating and drinking. It possesses several groups of neurosecretory cells which secrete hormones called hypothalamic hormones. Third, hypothalamus and inner parts of cerebral hemisphere along with a group of associated deep structures like amygdala, hippocampus, etc. form a complex structure. Limbic lobe or limbic system. Limbic system is involved in the regulation of sexual behavior, expression of emotional reactions, example pleasure, rage, excitement and fear, and motivation. In an experiment in PBR 332, an alien DNA is introduced using cell 1. The transformant will grow on. Answer will be B. Ampicillin. Cell 1 restriction site is present in tetracycline resistant gene. If foreign DNA is inserted in cell 1 site, then the transformant will lose tetracycline resistant nature due to insertional inactivation of foreign DNA. Select a suitable method for transferring an alien DNA into a plant cell. Answer will be A. Gene gun. Biolistics or gene gun is the method of gene transfer suitable for plant cell are bombarded with high velocity microparticles of gold or tungsten coated with DNA. In a functional breast milk is temporarily stored in. Answer will be B. Mammary alveoli. Mammary glands uh, 15 to 20 mammary lobes are found in glandular tissue of each breast. Each mammary lobes is divided into numerous alveoli. Alveoli is a group of cells having a lumen within. Alveolar cells secrete milk in the lumen of alveoli where it is temporarily stored. The nematode that infects the roots of tobacco plants and causes a great reduction in its yield is. Answer will be B. Meliodogyne incognitia. Choose the incorrect match. Answer will be A. Primary messenger कैल्शियम आयन गलत है. कैल्शियम आयन जो होते हैं वो सेकेंडरी मैसेंजर होते हैं, बाकी बी सी डी सही है. इंसुलिन, पेप्टाइड हार्मोन, इरिथ्रोपोइटीन, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आरबीसी और Aldosterone steroid. Binding of hormone primary messenger to the receptor initiates a series of events which leads to the generation of so-called second messengers like calcium, CMP, etc. within the cell. The second messenger's event triggers a series of molecular interactions that alter the physiologic state of the cell. Another term used to describe this entire process is signal transduction. Which of the following is a mismatch? तो आंसर यहाँ डी होगा, वाटर प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ पॉल्यूशन एक्ट 1986 से हमारा गलत है, बाकी ए बी सी सही है। एयर प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ पॉल्यूशन एक्ट 1984, concept of joint forest movement introduced by government in 1980, or Ramesh Chandra Dagar worked on integrated organic farming. Realizing the importance of maintaining the cleanliness of the water bodies, the government of India has passed the Water Prevention and Control of Population Pollution Act 1974 टू सेफ गार्ड आवर वाटर रिसोर्सेस। ठीक है, इसका हमने ट्रिक ही बताया था। आप एक बार इन्वायरमेंटल इशू का ट्रिक आप देख लेना, ईयर ट्रिक्स हमारे चैनल पे। तो हमने बताया था कि A4 फोर, लास्ट में फोर आ रहा है, और वाटर। ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा इसमें भी आर लास्ट में आ रहा है, उसमें भी आर लास्ट में आ रहा है। तो इस तरह से आप याद कर सकते हैं। और एयर प्रिवेंशन के और नॉइज के और सवाल प्रिवेंशन कंट्रोल के भी हमने ट्रिक बना रखे हैं, उसके आप देख सकते हैं हमारे चैनल पे। गैस्ट्रीन एंड सेक्रेटिन आर सेक्रेटेड रिस्पेक्टिवली बाय। तो गैस्ट्रीन होता है स्टोमक से और सेक्रेटिन होता है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से। गैस्ट्रीन इज सेक्रेटेड बाय सेल्स इन द स्टोमक। गैस्ट्रीन स्टिमुलेट्स द exocrine cells of the stomach to secrete gastric juice, a mixture of hydrochloric acid and the proteolytic enzyme pepsinogen. Or secretin is secreted by the cells in the duodenum when they are exposed to the acidic contents of empty stomach. 70 नंबर क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे कर हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ गैमेट्स विल बी फाउंड बाय जीनोटाइप एक्स, कैपिटल एक्स, कैपिटल वाई, स्मॉल वाई, और डबल कैपिटल जेड। तो यहाँ पे जो है हेट्रोजाइगस पेयर देखते हैं, तो यहाँ पे दो हेट्रोजाइगस पेयर है, तो 2 टू द पावर n होते हैं। 2 टू द पावर 4 करेंगे तो हमारा 2 टू द पावर 2 करेंगे तो हमारा 4 आ जाएगा। आउट ऑफ 3 2 जीन्स आर इन द हेट्रोजाइगस स्टेट, the number of gametes formed is determined by 2 to power n, where n is the number of heterozygous gene present. 4 gametes will be there: x, y, z, x small y capital Z, small x capital Y capital Z, और small x small y capital Z. Which of the following is the dominant character according to Mendel? Okay, तो dominant character है tall plant and rounded seed. Okay, Mendel studied 7 pairs of contrasting character in Pisum sativum. Mendel selected 14 breeding plant varieties as pairs which were similar except for one character for contrasting traits. कैरेक्टर्स यहाँ देखते हैं तो और contrasting ट्रैक है। तो स्टेम हाइट में डोमिनेंट आते हैं टॉल और रिसेसिव ड्वार्फ। फ्लावर कलर वायलेट वाइट, फ्लावर पोजीशन एक्सियल टर्मिनल, पॉड शेप इनफ्लैटेड और कंस्ट्रक्टेड, पॉड कलर ग्रीन येलो, सीड शेप राउंड रिंकल्ड, सीड कलर येलो और ग्रीन। यानी यहाँ पे एक स्टेम है, दो फ्लावर है, दो पॉड और दो सीड। इस टाइप के भी क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं। आइडेंटिफाई द 20 क्वेश्चन लगभग और बचे हैं बायो में, तो फटाफट देखते हैं। आइडेंटिफाई द वायरस एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट इट। तो आंसर हमारा सी होगा, जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए। केमिकल नेचर न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन है। टोबैको मोजाइक वायरस का ये फिगर है। कैप्सिड इज मेड अप ऑफ यूनिट्स नोन एज कैप्सोमेयर्स विच मे बी अरेंज्ड इन हेलिकल और पॉलीहेड्रल फॉर्म्स। सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द मेथेनोजेंस। तो सी यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट है। इट प्रोड्यूस बायोगैस विच इज प्योरली मीथेन, तो प्योरली मीथेन नहीं होते हैं, मीथेन के अलावा भी बहुत सारे गैस होते हैं। और ए बी डी जो है सही है। दीज बिलोंग टू आर्की बैक्टीरिया, दीज live in marshy areas, और these are found in gut of ruminants. Methanogens are archaeobacteria which lives in marshy area and produces methane. They causes anaerobic breakdown of organic matter to produce methane. They are commonly present in guts of ruminant animals and produces mixture of methane, carbon dioxide and hydrogen commonly known as biogas. In E. coli, DNA replication starts at answer will be D, origin of replication. DNA replication does not initiate randomly at any place in DNA. Replication starts at specific region termed as the origin of replication. In eukaryotes, there are multiple origins of replication, but in prokaryotes, there is an only single origin of replication. Lactose is the substrate for the enzyme beta-galactosidase and it regulates switching on and off of the operon, hence it is termed as answer will be A, inducer. In lac operon, the regulator gene produces active repressor protein which binds to operator switching it off. When bacteria are grown in a medium having lactose, it functions as an inducer and binds repressor, making it inactive and switching on the system. Enzyme peptidal transferase can be located in answer will be A, larger subunit of ribosome. Peptide bond formation is catalyzed by enzyme peptidal transferase which is a ribozyme. High molecular weight of rRNA 23S in prokaryotes and 28S in eukaryotes function as a ribozyme. These rRNA are located in a larger subunit of the ribosome. The largest cell the among the following is answer will be D, zygote. Formation of zygote is universal in all sexually reproducing organisms. Zygote is the first product of sexual reproduction which is formed by fusion of male gamete with egg cell or female gamete. Zygote undergoes cleavage which reduces the cell size. Every sexually reproducing organism, including human beings, begin life as a single cell, the zygote. Zygote is a vital link between organism of one generation and next as it undergoes division to form embryo from which new progeny develops. Select the incorrect statement. Answer will be usually one microspore mother cell give rise to four functional microspore. ठीक है, यहाँ पे वन दिया हुआ इसलिए गलत होगा. बाकी ए सी और डी जो है सही है. टिपिकल एंजियोस्पर्मिक एंथर इज टेट्रास्पोरेंजिएट. कैपिटल सेल्स हैव टू और मोर न्यूक्लियाई और स्पोरोपोलेनिन इज in exine is one of the most resistant material. When the pollen tube enters the embryo sac, which of the following cell usually gets burst on its entry? Answer will be D, one of the two synergids. A stalk with which ovules remain attached to the placenta is called. Answer will be A, funicle. The ovule is a small structure attached to the placenta by means of a stalk called funicle. The body of the ovule fuses with funicle in the region called hilum. Thus, hilum represents the junction between ovule and funicle. Each ovule has one or two protective envelopes called integuments. Integuments encircle the nucellus except at the tip where a small opening called the micropyle is organized opposite the micropylar end is the chalaza representing the basal part of the ovule. Select the incorrect statement. Okay, तो यहाँ पे डी जो स्टेटमेंट है वो गलत है. मोस्ट ऑफ द फ्रूट्स आर पार्थेनोकार्पिक नहीं होते हैं इसलिए गलत होगा. बाकी ए बी सी जो है सही है. एपोमिक्सिस इज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन ग्रासेज. मैंगो इज वन सीडेड फ्रूट और हार्ड सीड कोट इज मीट फॉर प्रोटेक्शन. True fruits developing only from the ovary, example most of the fruits. False fruit in which fruits in such fruits thalamus also contributes to the formation fruit formation, example apple, strawberry, cashew, etc. और parthenocarpic fruits developing without fertilization, example banana. द पार्ट ऑफ द 10 क्वेश्चन और बचे हैं बायो में लगभग 8 क्वेश्चन. तो फटाफट देखते हैं। द पार्ट ऑफ द embryonal axis that remains above the level of attachment of scutellum is, answer will be D, epicotyle. The portion of embryonal axis above the level of the cotyledons is the epicotyles, which terminates with the plumule or stem tip. The cylindrical portion below the level of the cotyledon is the hypocotyle that terminates at the lower end in the radical or root tip. The set of enzymes used for clarification of fruit juices are, answer will be B, proteases and pectinases. Consider the following disorders: color blindness, thalassemia, Klinefelter syndrome, myotonic dystrophy, sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria, Turner syndrome. How many of the above disorders are Mendelian autosomal disorders? The answer will be D, 4. Mendelian disorders are mainly determined by alternation or mutation in the single gene. Myotonic dystrophy, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, phenylketonuria are all Mendelian disorders. The condition in which the number of chromosomes changes in multiples of the genome is, answer will be A, polyploidy. When chromosome number in an organism increases or decreases in multiple of n, then the condition is known as polyploidy. But when one or more uh, chromosome increase or decrease, then the condition is known as aneuploidy. For example, 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, 2n plus 2 or 2n minus 2, etc. Select the incorrect statement. Okay. तो यहाँ पे ए कह रहा है अप टू 900 restriction enzymes have been isolated from over 230 strains of bacteria. यहाँ पे सही है ये। और बी यहाँ पे कह रहा है इन द ईयर 1963 द टू enzymes responsible for restricting the growth of bacteriophage in E. coli were isolated. ये भी बिल्कुल सही है। और polymerase enzyme is one of the key tools for recombinant DNA technology, ये भी बिल्कुल सही है। और यहाँ पे डी कह रहा है ई कोर आर फर्स्ट कट द डीएनए बिटवीन बेसिस जी एंड ए producing blunt end when the sequence GAATC is present in the DNA। तो ये हमारा गलत होगा। ई को आर फर्स्ट identifies a specific palindromic DNA sequence GAATC and cuts are uh, a specific locations away from the center between G and A, making a staggered or sticky end cuts. It breaks phosphodiester bonds and uh, hydrogen bonds. Which of the following xylem elements lack lignified cell wall? Answer will be xylem parenchyma. Okay, composition, four types of elements: tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers और xylem parenchyma होते हैं। इस टाइप के भी क्वेश्चन पहले आ चुके हैं। ट्रैकिड्स elongated cell with tapering end, dead cell, no protoplasm with lignified cell wall। second, vessels, trachea, trachea vessel is tubular structure made up of cells. Vessel members joined together end to end. Dead cells, no protoplasm with dignified cell wall and large central cavity. Members are interconnected by their perforated end walls. These are characteristic feature of angiosperms. Gymnosperms lack vessels. Xylem fibers, elongated cells with tapering ends and obliterated lumen, dead cells, no protoplasm with lignified cell walls. These may be septate or aseptate. Xylem parenchyma, living cell with a thin cell wall made up of cellulose. These store food, starch, oil, tannin, etc. Ray parenchymatous cell also perform radial conduction of water। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि जाइलम पेरेन्काइमा में लिग्निन नहीं है, लिग्निफाइड नहीं है, बाकी सारे में हैं। ओके। 88, the region of the biosphere reserve where human activity is restricted is, ये क्वेश्चन नीट में आ चुका है। आंसर हमारा बी होगा, कोर जोन। Biosphere reserves are large area which are legally protected, in which central core area is very dense forest, in which all sort of human activity is prohibited. In buffer zones, some human activities like tourism is permitted, but in all zones, cutting down of trees and hunting of animals is banned. ओके, इसका एक फिगर भी आता है, तो आप अगर इसमें होगा तो यहाँ पे तो नहीं है। आप अगर एलियन का या आकाश का मॉड्यूल देखेंगे या जो क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है नीट में वो देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। According to Rivet Popper hypothesis, the popping of rivets means answer will be B, extinction of species. Okay. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है बायो का। यहाँ पे कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग फोर कंडीशंस 1 to 4 एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट पेयर ऑफ देम एज एन एडेप्टेशन टू द इन्वायरमेंट इन डिजर्ट लिजर्ट। द कंडीशंस फर्स्ट यहाँ पे है बरोइंग इन द सॉइल टू एस्केप हाई टेम्परेचर, यहाँ पे सही है ये बिल्कुल। सेकेंड है लूजिंग हीट रैपिडली फ्रॉम द बॉडी ड्यूरिंग हाई टेम्परेचर, तो ये हमारा गलत होगा। और थर्ड यहाँ पे कह रहा है बास्क इन द सन व्हेन द टेम्परेचर इज लो, ये बिल्कुल सही है यहाँ पे। फोर यहाँ पे कह रहा है इंसुलेटिंग बॉडी ड्यू टू द दियर थिक फैटी डर्मिस, तो ये हमारा गलत होगा। अडेप्टेशन इन एनी Adaptation is any attributes of the organism, morphological, physiological, behavioral, that enables the organism to survive and reproduce in its habitat. Many adaptations have evolved over a long evolutionary time and are genetically fixed. Sometimes, some organisms show behavioral responses to cope up with variations in their environment. Desert lizards lack the physiological ability that mammals have to deal with the high temperatures of their habitat, but manage to keep their body temperatures fairly constant by behavioral means. They bask in the sun and absorb heat when their body temperature drops below the comfort zone, but move into shade when the ambient temperature starts increasing. Some species are capable of burrowing into the soil to hide and escape from the above ground heat. Okay, तो ये सारे हो गए बायो क्वेश्चंस। अब आएंगे हम केमिस्ट्री में। वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, और जो नए व्यूअर्स हैं प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना, क्योंकि ऐसे ही सारे मॉक टेस्ट के वीडियो आते रहेंगे और रिमेनिंग जो मॉक टेस्ट है उसके भी वीडियो आ जाएंगे। और हमारा नीट का एग्ज़ाम भी 13 सितंबर को होने वाला, एक कन्फर्म ही है। तो आप जो है जितना ज़्यादा रिवाइज करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। ओके, तो केमिस्ट्री का देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। यहाँ पे डिटेल वीडियो जो है केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स का आप देख सकते हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक से। यहाँ पे हम बस क्वेश्चन और आंसर करेंगे। Identify the compound in which phosphorus exists in the oxidation state of +1. Answer will be phosphenic acid H3PO2. Okay. Question number second. The number of isomers of aromatic compound C8H10 is. Answer will be B 4. Acetamide when heated with PCl5 gives. Answer will be C CH3CCl2NH2. Which of the following molecules is least resonance stabilized? Answer will be C. The IPSC number of CH3C CH3CH3 CH double bond CH2 will be. Answer will be C 3,3 dimethyl 1 butene. The structure of H2O2 is. Answer will be B non-planar. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन बहुत सारा आ चुका है, ओपन बुक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं। Zone refining is a technique used primarily for which of the following process? Answer will be D purification. Zone refining is a method of purification used for semiconductors like silicon, germanium and gallium. Ethyl isocyanide on hydrolysis in acidic medium generates. Answer will be D ethyl amine and methanoic acid. The conductivity of a strong electrolyte, answer will be A, increases on dilution slightly. In which case hybridization of the central atom is affected when? Answer will be B, AlH3 changes to AlH4 minus. इस टाइप क्वेश्चन भी आ चुका है पहले। The temperature of 20 liter of nitrogen was increased from 10K to 30K at constant pressure. Change in volume will be. Answer will be 40 liter. Which of the following 0.1 m complex compound solutions will have the minimum electrical conductivity? Answer will be A PTNH3 whole thrice Cl3 into Cl. Which of the following is an amorphous substance? Answer will be B fused quartz. Which of the following will violates above principle as well as Pauli's exclusion principle? Answer will be C. Hexachloroethane is also called. Answer will be B. Artificial camphor. In a reaction, HrCHO is reduced to RCH3 using amalgamated zinc and concentrated HCl and a warm texting the solution. The reaction is known as. Answer will be B. Clemenson's reduction. The product formed in the following reaction C6H5OCH3 plus HI in presence of heat are. Answer will be B. C6H5OH and CH3I. Okay. Pterylene is a polymer obtained from. Answer will be C. Ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. Aspirin is chemically. Answer will be C. Acetyl salicylic acid. Aspirin is analgesic and chemically it is acetyl salicylic acid. The IPSC name of the compound K4FeCl6 is. Answer will be C. Potassium hexacyanoferrate second. For the combustion of N-octane C8H18 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2 at 25 degrees Celsius. Ignore resonance in CO2. Answer will be D. Delta H equal to delta E minus 4.5 into 8.31 into 0.298 in kilojoule per mole. Which one is electron deficient compound? Answer will be D. ICL. IPSC name of tertiary butyl alcohol is. Answer will be D. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Isomers which can be interconverted through rotation around a single bond are. Answer will be conformers. An aqueous solution contain either Hg2 plus or Hg2 plus or Hg2 plus. The given solution gives green PPT with Ki solution. About the given aqueous solution, which of the following is incorrect? Answer will be it contain Hg2 plus. 100 ml of 5 m H2SO4 of density 1 gram per ml is mixed with 100 ml of 8 m H2SO4 of density 1.25 gram per ml. If there is no change in volume of resulting solution due to mixing, the molarity of the resulting mixture is. Answer will be C. 4.5 m. Benzene diazonium chloride in aqueous solution decomposes as C6H5N double bond N plus Cl minus plus H2O gives C6H5OH plus N2 plus HCl. The reaction follows first order kinetics. If P is the pressure of N2 at constant volume and temperature corresponding to different intervals of temperature T and Pf that after completion of the reaction, then which of the following graphs confirms the kinetics of the reaction? Answer will be C, and this is explanation. Which of the following has largest ionic radius? Answer will be C, D, cesium plus. In NH3 solution of Zn2 plus, Zn2 plus forms ZnNH3 whole 4 plus 2. In this solution to increase the concentration of Zn2 plus, we are to add. Answer will be D, either H2 or either water or HCl. Reaction CO2 plus H2 water gas plus H2 673 Kelvin 300 atm Cr2O3 ZNO uh, uh, may be used for manufacture of. Answer will be D, methyl alcohol CH3OH. CO plus H2 water gas plus H2 gives CH3OH. A Beckman thermometer is used to measure. Answer will be B, low temperature. A Beckman thermometer is a device used to measure a small temperature but not absolute temperature values. An element with atomic number 20 will be placed in which period of the periodic table? Answer will be D4. When dry chlorine gas is passed through silver chlorate heated to 90 degrees Celsius, then which of the oxides of chlorine is obtained? Answer will be A, ClO2. The given reaction is an example of, okay, तो आंसर हमारा यहाँ डी डैकिन रिएक्शन. The number average molecular mass and mass average molecular mass of a polymer are respectively 30,000 and 40,000. The poly dispersity index of the polymer is answer will be more than 1. The IUPAC name of the compound CH2 double bond C CH3 single bond CH2 single bond C triple bond CH is answer will be A 2 methyl pent 1 in 4 in. The dipole moment of H2O2 is more than that of H2O, but H2O2 is not a good solvent because तो ये क्वेश्चन पहले पूछ चुका है. आंसर हमारा डी होगा. इट डिसोसिएट्स इजिली एंड एक्ट्स एज एन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट इन केमिकल रिएक्शंस. What is X in the nuclear reaction? आंसर विल बी यहाँ पे रिएक्शन है N14 7 plus H11 gives O15 8 plus X. Answer will be C gamma. Select the best reagents to accomplish the following transformation. Answer will be B BS3 NOH and H2O2. ये भी जो क्वेश्चन है पहले पूछ चुका है. एंटी मार्कोनिकॉप्स हाइड्रेशन occurs at both double and triple bonds to give the desired product. The maximum possible number of hydrogen bonds a water molecule can form is answer will be B 4. The equilibrium constant K for the reaction 2HI gas gives H2 gas plus I2 gas at room temperature is 2.85 into and that at 698 Kelvin is 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 2. This implies that the forward reaction is answer will be A exothermic. Which of the following pairs of compounds are position isomers? Answer will be isobutyl alcohol and tertiary butyl alcohol. For the reaction N2 gas plus O2 gas gives 2NO gas. The value of Kc at 800 degrees Celsius is 0.1 when the equilibrium concentration of both the reactants is 0.5 mole. What is the value of Kp at same temperature? Answer will be B 0.1. An organic compound having molecular mass 60 U is found to contain C equal to 20%, hydrogen equal to 6.6% and nitrogen equal to 46%, rest 0.67% being oxygen. Okay. On heating, it gives NH3 along with solid residue. The solid residue gives violet color with alkaline copper sulfate solution. The compound is answer will be C NH2 whole twice CO. Okay. लास्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ है हमारा केमिस्ट्री का. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कॉम्बिनेशंस विल प्रोड्यूस H2 गैस? आंसर विल बी ए जिंक मेटल एंड NaOH एक्वस. ये भी जो क्वेश्चन है वो पहले आ चुका है NTA के मॉक टेस्ट में. ओके. तो ये सारे हो गए केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना. जो नए व्यूअर्स है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना क्योंकि ऐसे ही सारे वीडियो आते रहेंगे जब तक NTA का मॉक टेस्ट आते रहेगा. ठीक है. तो हम यहाँ फिजिक्स का क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ फिजिक्स का है. द इलेक्ट्रॉन इन हाइड्रोजन एटम मेक्स अ ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम n equal to n1 to n equal to n2 state. The time period of the time period of the electron in initial state n1 is 8 times that of final state n2. The possible values of n1 and n2 are answer will be n1 equal to 4 and n2 equal to 2. The wavelengths of K alpha X rays of two metals A and B are 4 by what 1875 R and 1 by 675 R respectively, where R is readable constant. The number of elements lying between A and B according to their atomic numbers is. Answer will be D 4. Two blocks of masses 10 kg and 4 kg are connected by a spring of negligible mass and placed on a frictionless horizontal surface. An impulse gives a velocity of 14 meter per second to the heavier block in the direction of the lighter block. The velocity of the center of mass is. Answer will be C 10 meter per second. A bomb traveling in a parabolic path under gravity explodes in mid-air. The center of mass of fragments will move. Answer will be D in parabolic path as the unexploded bomb would have traveled. The maximum and minimum tension in a string whirling in a vertical circle of the radius 2.5 meter with constant speed are in the ratio 5 is to 3, then its velocity g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Each answer would be A under root 98 meter per second. Two bar magnets of the same mass, same length and breadth but having magnetic moments m and 3m are joined together, pulled for pole and suspended by a string. The time period of assembly in a magnetic field of strength 1h is 3 seconds. If now the polarity of one of the magnets is reversed and the combination is again made to oscillate in the same field, the time of oscillation is. Answer will be D 3 root 2 second. Resistors of resistance 20 ohm and 30 ohm are joined in series with a battery of EMF 3 volt. It is desired to measure current and voltage across the 20 ohm resistor with the help of ammeter and voltmeter. Identify the correct arrangement of ammeter A and voltmeter V out of four possible arrangements shown in the figure given below. तो आंसर हमारे यहाँ पे C होगा. ओके, और ये रहे एक्सप्लेनेशन. In the above circuit diagram, EMF of two batteries are given equal. Then the potential difference VA minus VB between terminals A and B will be. Answer will be A minus 36 volt. In a region of space, the electric field is given by E equal to 8 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 3 K cap. The electric flux through a surface of area of 100 units in XY plane is. Answer will be B 300 units. Two identical parallel plate capacitors are placed in series and connected to a constant voltage source of V volt. If one of the capacitors is completely immersed in a liquid of dielectric constant K, then the potential difference between the plates of the other capacitor will change to. Answer will be A K by K plus 1 into V. The value of inductance L for which the current is maximum in series LCR circuit with C equal to 10 microfarad and omega equal to 1000 radian per second. Answer will be D 1000 millihenry. Okay. A loop ABCD is moving with velocity v towards the right. The magnetic field is 2 Tesla. Loop is connected to a resistance of 9 ohm. If the steady current of 2 ampere flows in the loop, then the value of V if loop has resistance 4 ohm is given. AD equal to 30 centimeter. Answer will be A 86.7 meter per second. Suppose the gravitational force varies universally as the nth power of distance, then the time period of a planet in a circular orbit of radius r around the sun will be proportional to. Answer will be A r to the power 1 by 2 n plus 1. The ratio of binding energy of a satellite at rest on Earth's surface to the binding energy of a satellite of same mass revolving around the Earth at height h above the Earth's surface is. R equal to radius of the Earth. Answer will be C R plus h by R. Two plates identical in size, one of the black and rough surface B1 and the other a smooth and polished A2 are interconnected by a thin horizontal pipe with a mercury pellet at the center. Two more plates A1 identical to A2 and B2 identical to B1 are heated to the same temperature and placed close to the plates B1 and A2 as shown in the diagram. The mercury pellet, answer will be C, remains stationary. A Carnot engine having the efficiency of a heat engine eta equal to 1 by 10 is used as a refrigerator if the work done on the system is 10 joule. uh, uh, the amount of energy absorbed from the reservoir at the lower temperature is, answer will be B, 90 joule. Two containers of the equal volume contain the same gas at pressure P1 and P2 and absolute temperatures T1 and T2 respectively. On joining the vessels, the gas reaches a common pressure P and common temperature T. The ratio P by T is equal to, answer will be D, P1 by 2 T1 plus P2 by 2 T2. A long rigid wire lies along the x-axis and carries a current of 10 ampere in the positive x direction. Around the wire, the external magnetic field is B cap B vector equal to I cap plus 2 x square j cap with x in meters and B in Tesla. The magnetic force in SI units on the segment of the wire between x equal to 1 meter and x equal to 4 meter each. Answer will be D, 420. Okay. Magnetic induction at the center of a circular loop carrying a current is B. If A is the area of the coil, the magnetic dipole moment of the loop is, answer will be D, 2BA by mu naught under root A by pi. A rifle bullet loses 1 by 20th of its velocity in passing through a plank. The least number of such planks required to just stop the bullet is, answer will be C, 11. A chain of length L and of mass M is placed upon a smooth surface. The length of B is L minus B. Now the chain is released and it slides down. Calculate the speed of chain when its end reaches B. Answer will be C, under root 2 G sine theta capital L minus B. Okay. Two weights omega 1 and omega 2 are suspended from the ends of a light string passing over a smooth fixed pulley. If the pulley is pulled up with acceleration g, the tension in the string will be, answer will be A, 4 omega 1 omega 2 by omega 1 plus omega 2. An object is kept on a smooth inclined plane of inclination 1 in L. Find the horizontal acceleration that should be imparted to to the inclined plane such that the object remains stationary relative to the inclined plane. Answer will be C, G by under root L square minus 1. There are two radioactive substances A and B. Decay constant of B is 2 times that of A. Initially both have an equal number of nuclei. After n half-lives of A, the rate of disintegration of both is equal. The value of n is, answer will be C, 1. A decay chain of the nucleus U92-238 involves 8 decays and 6 beta decays. The final nucleus at the end of the process will be, answer will be C, Z equal to 82 and A equal to 206. Next, the ratio of displacement to amplitude when the kinetic energy of a body executing SHM is size the potential energy is, answer will be C, 1 by 2. A pendulum consisting of a small sphere of mass m suspended by an inextensible and massless string of length L is made to swing a vertical plane If the breaking strength of the string is 2 mg, then the maximum angular amplitude of the displacement from the vertical can be. Answer will be C, 60 degree. The number of photons falling per second of a completely darkened plate to produce a force of 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton is n if the wavelength of the light falling is 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, then n equal to dot dot into 10 to the power 22 h equal to 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Answer will be uh, B 5. ओके, n इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 10 टू पावर 22 यहाँ पे होगा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में. ओके, आगे. The energy flux of sunlight reaching the surface of the earth is 1.388 into 10 to the power 3 uh, Weber meter per meter square. The number of photons nearly per square meter are incident on the earth per second is assumed that the photons in the sunlight have an average wavelength of 550 nanometer. Answer will be A, 3.838 into 10 to the power 28 photons per meter square per second. Okay. The pressure inside two soap bubbles is 1.01 and 1.02 atm respectively. The ratio of their respective volumes is, answer will be A, 8 is to 1. A capillary tube of the radius r is immersed in water and water rise in it to a height capital H. Mass of water in the capillary tube is small m. If the capillary of radius 2r is taken and dipped in water, the mass of water that will rise in the capillary tube will be, answer will be B, 2m. A thin lens has a focal length f1 and its aperture has a diameter d, a small d. If it forms an image of intensity I, now the central part of the aperture up to diameter d by 2 is blocked by opaque paper. The focal length and image intensity will change to, answer will be D, f and 3I by 4. A plano-concave lens is made up of a glass of refracting index 1.5 and the radius of curvature of its curved face is 100 centimeter. What is the power of the lens? Answer will be minus 0.5 diopter. The moment of inertia of a rod about an axis through its center and perpendicular to it is 1 by 12 ml square, where capital M is the mass and L is the length of the rod. The rod is bent in the middle so that the two half makes an angle of 60 degree. The moment of inertia of the bent rod about the same axis would be, answer will be B, ml square by 12. A solid sphere of mass 2 kg is rolling on a frictionless horizontal surface with velocity 6 meters per second. It collides on the free ends of an ideal spring whose other end is fixed. The maximum compression produced in the spring will be force constant of the spring equal to 36 Newton per meter. Answer will be B, under root 2.8 meter. In the given circuit, P and Q form the inputs. The output Y is, answer will be D, Y equal to Q bar. In an NPN transistor circuit, the collector current is 10 milliampere if 90% of the emitted electrons reach the collector. If the emitter current I and the base current IB are given by, answer will be D, I equal to 11 mA, IB equal to 1 milliampere. I equal to 11 milliampere or IB equal to 1 milliampere. A metallic rod of length L and cross-sectional area capital A is heated through T degrees Celsius. If Young's modulus of elasticity of the metal is Y and the coefficient of linear expansion of the metal is alpha, then the compressional force required to prevent the rod from expanding along its length is, answer will be A, Y A alpha T. Let x equal to a square b square by c B. The physical quantity. If the percentage error in the measurement of physical quantities A, B and C is 2, 3 and 4% respectively, then percentage error in the measurement of X is. Answer will be B, 14%. In Young's experiment, the wavelength of red light is 7.8 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter and that of blue light is 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Value of n for which n plus 1 th blue bright fringe coincides with nth red fringe is. Answer will be B, 2. According to Huygens principle, during refraction of light from air to a denser medium, answer will be D. Wavelength and speed both decrease करेगा. Okay. When light ray goes from air to denser medium, then the wavelength and speed decreases because every medium has a different velocity of light. क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. तीन क्वेश्चन और बचे हैं, फटाफट देखते हैं. अ कार इज मूविंग विथ 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर blows a horn of 150 hertz towards a cliff. The frequency of the reflected sound heard by the driver will be a speed of sound in air is 340 meter per second. Answer will be D, 174 hertz. A standing wave propagating with velocity 300 meters per second in an open pipe of length 4 meter has 4 notes. The frequency of the wave is. Answer will be C, 150 Hz. An object of mass 10 kg falls from rest through a vertical distance of 10 meter and acquires a velocity of 10 meter per second. The work done by the push of air on the object is G equal to 10 meter per second square. आंसर यहाँ B होगा -500 जूल. Power applied to a particle varies with time as P equal to 3t square minus 2t plus 1 watt, where t is in second. The change in its kinetic energy between t equal to 2 second and t equal to 4 second is. Answer will be B, 46 जूल. ओके, ये सारे थे हमारे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और बायो के क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, जो नए व्यूअर्स है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना, क्योंकि ऐसे ही सारे आपको वीडियो मिलते रहेंगे एनटीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट के, और जो पिछला भी छूटा हुआ सारे आ जाएंगे. ओके, और जिन्हें भी पीडीएफ चाहिए एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट के सारे पीडीएफ विथ आंसर्स तो आपको मिल जाएंगे. उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे कांटेक्ट करके या कॉल करके कंफर्म कर सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे.